The Shawnee rescue mission has been without air conditioning for 10 days now, meaning it's just as hot outside as it is inside. During our visit Sunday, the inside of the building was 90 degrees. Executive Director Sarah Inselman says it's typically between 70 and 75 with the AC units. Right now, they have a smaller AC unit and fans running to try to beat the heat. But she says it just isn't enough. They've had to reduce their hours. The heat has led to the canceling or relocating of upcoming scheduled resources, including Monday's health screening service, now taking place at Higher Ground Church.
The clients outside that live outside, they need a cool place to rest, just to unwind. It's hard on them. It raises everybody's stress levels. It just brings down your immune system. Infections flourish in the heat. It's a rough, hard life.
Inselman says the resource center relies on donations. Replacing the air conditioning is no exception. Their goal is to raise $18,000 to cover the cost of replacing both air conditioning units. Information on how you can help will be available on our website. Reporting in Shawnee, Olivia Hickey, KOCO 5 News.